If your Epic Games launcher can't update, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This issue is really common, and it can happen because the launcher is stuck in the background, needs administrator permissions, or has a corrupted cache file preventing the update from finishing properly. So if your launcher is frozen, stuck on updating, or refusing to download the latest version, this tutorial should help. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is completely close the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes it may look closed, but it can still be running in the background and blocking the update process. So press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If you see Epic Games Launcher or any related Epic processes still running, click on them one by one and select End Task. This makes sure nothing is left open in the background. Once that's done, go ahead and restart your PC. This may seem simple, but a quick restart can clear temporary glitches and reset any stuck update processes. After your computer comes back on, don't open the launcher just yet. We're going to do one more important step first. Now, let's clear the WebCache folder, because this is one of the most effective fixes for launcher update problems. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the field, type %local AppData%, then press Enter. This will take you directly to your local AppData folder. Inside that folder, look for Epic Games Launcher and open it. Then find the saved folder. Inside saved, you should see a folder named WebCache, or something very similar depending on your version. Delete any folder that is named WebCache. This cache stores temporary launcher data, and if it becomes corrupted, the launcher may fail to update correctly. After deleting the WebCache folder, close everything and try launching Epic Games Launcher again. In most cases, this alone will fix the update issue and allow the launcher to start normally. If it still doesn't work, right-click the launcher and choose Run as administrator. Running it with admin permissions can help if Windows was blocking part of the update process. If the launcher opens and starts updating properly, great, you're done. If it still gives you trouble, you can repeat the steps carefully and make sure the launcher is fully closed before clearing the cache. The most important thing is to remove any background process and delete the corrupted WebCache files before trying again. So to quickly recap, force close Epic Games Launcher in Task Manager, restart your PC, press Windows key +R, open %local app data%, go into Epic Games Launcher, open saved, delete the WebCache folder, and then relaunch the app. That usually fixes the update problem fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.